about just making stuff for home? Try this, doesn't work, let it go. That's the slogan we've had here on this channel since I started. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is the Tom. Today I'm going to bring you guys a new video. I have done one before. I've done one already, and I think it was just more like random video, and someone was saying they wanted more hair. So yeah, I'm gonna do more hair. It's not like I don't want to do more hair, I will eventually, but anyways, that's not the main topic today. I have a little one in the back here, so he's gonna be he's smiling at me. Hi Baba. So I have the baby's in the background, so yeah, so it's gonna be here in the back, and I can't leave him by himself, so I'm going to do the hair today. But anyways, everybody, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe down below and turn on your notifications to get notified every time I post a new video, or we post a new video, because Dad is here now. Hi. He thinks I'm talking. When I go into the video, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to do a styling video, and this is my hair, and I get a lot of people asking me not too many questions. I say questions are there all the time. How do you style your hair? Blah blah blah. So I'm gonna try to be specific, just do only styling video. And anyways, I'm going to just quickly go up ahead and just show you guys what I do. So the first thing when it comes to styling, if you're going for an event, I don't, because I have a baby now, he's in the background, like just so happy. Right now I'm taking care of my baby. Yeah, he's in the background. I'm taking care of baby. I'm mostly at home, so mostly I don't have a lot of styling that I do, so I've been doing protective style. So if you're someone who is taking care of babies, protective style should be one thing you go for. And this is my hair. I've had it for almost, this is 6 days, and I've twisted the hair up. So if you're someone who, yeah, good, yeah, what are you saying? Talk to them. Let them know how mama do the hair. You want to tell them? You want to tell them? So that's my son anyway, still doing this thing. So basically this is how I do my protective style. Most of the time I do twist. So anyways, there'll be a lot of distraction because my son is right here and I can't leave him alone because he's the reason as to why I'm home. So anyways, I'm not going to. So anyways, so basically that's what I do. First thing first, twist your hair if you're going to be protective styling. And what type of twist do you usually go for? I like to go for single twists. So I usually do single twists for my hair. Okay, I forgot something. Yeah, so single twist, and make sure you moisturize your hair. I do a leave-in cream and oil, so that's what I do for my moisturizing. And then I usually just, every day as I keep my hair. Yeah, what are you telling mama? My boy is over there talking. Yeah, so right now I'm just putting some oil in so that talk to mama too. Mommy is trying to talk to people and you talk to mama. Yeah, I'm just gonna put some oil in there, so because I'm gonna take them down today. They've been 6 days. They're still looking really nice anyways, but I just wanted some, some cute hairstyle today, and probably go out later or just take my son outside usually. And yeah, so this is how I protect my style. Can't say it. Protective style my hair. Okay, let's continue because I just had something on the camera. So this is protective styling my hair. Protective styling so you can twist your hair before the next day. So what I do is I twist my hair at night time, and then before I had babies, that's what I would do. I'll twist my hair at night, and the next day I'll put some oil in and then take it down. Let's say this is the following day after, let's say I twist the hair. This is 6 days anyways. So what I'll do, I'll take up my hair. These are my twists. They look really nice. These are 6 days. Whoa. So yeah, I'm gonna take it down like that, and what I'll do is I'll be undoing the twist as I go. I don't have any planned style right now, but if I'm trying to going for a specific style, then I would, take it all down first and then go for it. Or you can create style as you are twisting. It's just up to you. depending what you're looking for, just to make sure my hair was protected and kept and stayed. And then I was at home, so I wasn't going anywhere. But this is my hair right now, and I just kind of let it down. So one strand at a time. Hey, hey, hey. So this is my scalp for since I wash my hair. So what I've been doing every day is adding oil, just so that my hair is not. This is my hair. It looks super nice. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're just doing the same thing. This is what I'm going to be doing. So right now it looks like I don't even need to do much separation because it looks like it's separating by itself. And I'm just going to continue taking down the hair. Another way I minimize freeze is just making sure you don't separate all the way. Sometimes when people go for volume, some go for whatever, curls and stuff. But mine right now looks like I have both. I have volume and I have both volume and curls, which is good. But my hair is not naturally curly the way it looks. You just have to work around, working around your hair. So this is not my natural curls, but I actually just worked around twisting it and then just making sure what product works well for it. So that's something I want to say. Just know when you're styling your hair what product works. And so far I figure out which product works for my hair. Try it, let it go if it doesn't work for you. Yeah, I have done more videos on the channel showing you how I take down my twist. I'm not gonna do it again, but this is just how these ones are looking like right now with this hair and this styling. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna try to hang out with the little boy here and then just take the strands down, and then when I come into styling it, I'll show you guys how it looks like, because I don't want to waste time doing the same thing over and over, and we've done them so many times. So yeah.